Do you ever just think, I've got a fat head and having shorter bangs would make them better? Because me too. I am going to cut microbangs. I've done this before, so it's like, you know, like whatever, I guess. Just get that out of there. Okay. Oh shit. I don't know if I have everything. Okay, and cheers. Okay. Okay. So I hope everyone's coronation is going well. I think I've worn pants like twice. Oh God. I have really bad cowlicks. I should stop doing this to myself. Okay, so I have a wrinkle on my forehead, this one. It's usually where I like them. So I think that's what we're gonna go for. Let's see if I can get my cowlick out of there.
If you've ever worried about something being a bad idea, you should just do it while we're all in quarantine, because it's like, we're probably going to be like this for a while, at least if you're in the United States, that like, there's no time.
Better than the present, you know? So like, just live your life, and just like, it doesn't matter. Oh God, there's hair in my eye. Oh shit, that's way too short. Oh God, I made a mistake. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. See, I should be looking in the mirror and not this freaking camera. It's a little bit shorter than my wrinkle, but that's okay. Oh God. There's literally so much hair on my eyes, I can't even describe to you. Fuck. I've done this before. Oh no, this is way too short. Oh, this is so short. Maybe if I get them wet and blow dry them down, that would be better. Okay, I got them wet, successfully taking off all of the makeup off my forehead that I strategically placed there in anticipation of doing this. So now that they're wet, hopefully I can cut them straight, and then we will blow dry them. And you know, if all else fails, I'm probably not going to see anyone until May. So it's like, really, what better time? Have you ever, you know, what better time will you ever have in your life? You know, thinking like, hey, I've always wanted microbangs that are just way too short. Like, this is the best time to do it. I had to unplug my light so I can plug in my blow dryer. Okay, they're probably dry enough. Oh my God, they look cute. Don't come for me if they don't. I think they look cute. Okay, now, shit, with the light on, maybe they don't. Let's see if we can get this straightener in there. Oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna steam my forehead. It's gonna hurt literally so bad. Ah. Ow. Lordy. I don't know. I think they're all right. So let's see if I can get my hair in the middle part. I do have the sides shaved, and you can literally see how much gray I have. I am 22. Oh my god, what a wild ride. That took all of like 2 seconds. Obviously not really, it took like 5 minutes, but nice. Okay, that's it. Bye.